Good morning, children. Yesterday, continuation our sets topic, our textbook page number 30. So, fourth Roman. Yesterday we completed 1, 2, 3 Romans. Now fourth Roman. Fourth question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. So first one, 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers. This is true or false. We have to say. 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers. Already we know that prime numbers means, for example, this is the set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on will come here. So here 5 does not belongs to set of prime numbers given here. 5 already it's there here. So it's not a true statement. So it's false. Next one, second one, S equal to set of S equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. So this set contains only 3 elements 5, 6, 7, but 8 is not there in that set. But 8 implies 8 belongs to S. 8 belongs to S means 8 there in this set S it's given here. So true or false. So easily we can say. So false statement because of 8 not containing in this set. False. Next one, minus 5 does not belong to whole numbers. So minus 5 is, this means where W is the set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers means already we know that set of whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Already we know that here. Minus 5, negative numbers not containing in the whole numbers. So minus 5 does not belong to whole numbers. So this statement is true because of minus 5 is not a whole number. This statement is true. Next one, 8 by 11. 8 by 11 is a P by Q form. So P by Q form belongs to Z. 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. Already we know that Z equal to whole numbers and including with negative numbers. So 8 by 11 P by Q form because of this is the rational number. So rational number belongs to integers given. So this statement is false because of set of integers. Already we know that. False. So this is the fourth Roman. Everybody have to do this homework 2 times. So listen carefully. Next we are going to the fifth Roman. Now children, and we are discussing about fifth Roman and sixth Roman. Before these 2 sums and just introduction part we have to listen. So important this introduction. Already we know that set or sets. What is the set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects or elements. Already we know that. So the set is divided into 2 forms. One is roster form, another one is set builder form. So roster form or list form, both same only. So what is the definition of the roster form means? In this form, elements are listed in the set. So for example, set V containing A, E, I, O, U, 5 elements the set have. Next, every element also separated with commas. Already we know that here. A, E, I, O, U. Say this is how to write in the set builder form. So the set all X, this symbol is called as such that. So X is vowels in the English alphabet. So this is called a set builder form. V equal to A, E, I, O, U, for example. So say this is how to write set builder form means V equal to that symbol, that curly bracket, read as the set and all x such that symbols, each symbol is called as such that x is vowels in the English alphabet. We have to write like that set builder form. So another example also we can see. For example, set containing a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the roster form. How to write in the set builder form? Same. A equal to x such that x is the 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers are there here? 5 numbers are there here. So x belongs to n. X belongs to n. X less than or equal to 5. X less than or equal to 5. That's set containing. So we have to write x less than or equal to 5 means 5 also there and less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's there and here. So every number also natural numbers. X belongs to n. So we can write like that. So now we are going to the fifth Roman. Write the following sets in roster form. Write the following sets in the roster form. In the roster form, we have to write that answer. Already in the question which is given here, b equal to set builder form is given. See here, the set all x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. So how to write in the roster form? Set b equal to x is a natural number smaller than 6. Smaller than 6 means smaller than 6. Less than 6. Less than 6, which numbers will be? 5 numbers only, no? So those numbers we have to write, natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is a natural number smaller than 6. Less than 6 only we have to write. So this is sets in the roster form. So we have to write like that. Next one, c equal to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. 8 means c equal to, so what number should be added, 2-digit number to get 8? 17. 1 plus 7, 8 we can get on that. Next, 26. 2-digit number. 26. 2 plus 6, 8. Next, 35. Next, 44. Next, 53. Next, 62. Next, 71 and 80 because of 2-digit numbers. These are. So, once you see here, x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digits 8 means 1 plus 7, 8, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. Sum of these 2-digit numbers if you add 8 we can get. So D equal to set D equal to x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Divisor of 60 means once we check in rough work and what is the divisor of 60 means. Prime factorization already we know that x is a prime number they are asking. So 250 is there, 3 5 is there, 5 1 is there. So 2 times repeated, 3 1 time, 5 1 time. So which are the prime numbers here? 2 and 3 and 5 1. So x is a prime number which is a divisor of 50 means 2 3 5. All is prime numbers only we have to write. So D equals to 2 3 5. Next, E equal to x such that x is an alphabet in better. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Better means, yesterday already we discussed here. Set means a set is a A set is a well-defined collection of object. Well-defined collection of object means every element also separated by commas. Already we know that here. So B, E, T, T, L. So what numbers required here? B, E. Well-defined. Well-defined means according to the definition, well-defined collection of objects. Collection of object means distinct objects, means only different objects only the set contain. That is called as set. Already we know that yesterday we discussed here. So B, E 2 times repeated. So only one time only we have to write. Next T 2 times repeated. Only one time we have to write R. So according to the definition, B, E, T are only this set containing here. Okay, this is the Rost form of the given sets in fifth Roman. Next one, sixth one. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Set builder form means, for example, set, for example, let A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. How to write set builder form? A equal to, every time we have to write X such that, this is the common here, X such that 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 means, so what we can write here, see here, this is 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are. So multiples of 3. This is called as multiples of 3. So it can be written as x equal to 3y. X equal to 3y. So here y belongs to n. Here y belongs to n. Y less than 5. Only below 5 only there here. So in case detail we can write here 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are. Multiple means every that what is that here? The required number, the given number multiply with natural numbers. 3 into 1, 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are. So 1, 2, 3. These numbers are natural numbers. So that's what we have to write that operation. Okay, x equal to 3y. 3 means that given number here. So x equal to 3y. Y belongs to n means y is the natural number, set of natural numbers. Only 4 numbers are given. So y less than 5 we can write. Now coming to the second bit. So this set containing, let that set containing b equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. It's given here, but it's not there in the list. Actually, it can be written as 2 power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power of 4, 2 power of 5. So once you observe here, that powers are listed in the natural numbers. So the base is 2, 2, 2. Everywhere it's common here. So easily we can write here. First we have to speak like this. The given set is the area of work in examination time or in notebook. Right side margin will be no. So we can separate and just we have to write b equal to x such that x equal to 2 power of y. We can write it 2 power of y, not 2y. Okay, 2 power of y. So where y belongs to n. Y belongs to n means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these all are natural numbers. So that's what y belongs to n. That condition is very, very important for us. Comma. How many numbers given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be written as y less than 6 also we can write. Okay. So this is the set builder form of the given set. Next one, let C equal to x is that 5, 25, 125, 625. It's given here. How to write? So in the rough work, first we should divide what numbers if it's given or not. So 5 power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power of 4. So the power also, if it's given in the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so natural numbers, the base is 5 it's given. So as is up how you write, down also we can write like that. So x equal to 5 power of y, where y belongs to n. So y less than 1 to 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. So less than 5, below 5 only we can write like that. Next, last one. D equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 100. 100 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100 means total this set containing 10 elements. So it can be written as just roughly I will explain you here. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and 10 square. So what we observe here, the power always 2, 2, 2 came here, and next one, and base 1, 2, 3, 4 only natural numbers came here. So it can be written as x such that x equal to y power of 2. Y power of 2 means the condition very very important. Y must be natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 natural numbers. Y belongs to n. So it can be written as y less than or equal to 10 also we can write, or y less than or equal to 11 also we can write, less than or equal to 10. So then 10 also continued here. So these are 5 and 6 Romans, and this is your homework. Yeah, 4th Roman, 5th Roman, 6th Roman. Everybody have to do 2 times. Okay, I will check.